Differences between mitosis and meiosis. Mitosis, meiosis. Equational homotypic division, reductional heterotypic division. Number of chromosomes remain same in daughter cells. Number of chromosomes reduce half in daughter cells. Cell called mitocyte, cell called meiocyte. Mostly occurs in somatic cells, also occurs in reproductive cells. Occurs only in reproductive or germ cells. Occurs both in haploid and diploid cells. Occurs only in diploid cells. Growth, development and multiplication occur. Gamete and spore formation occur. Single step process, two steps process. Two daughter cells formed, four daughter cells formed. Mitosis or mitotic division. Definition: equational division in which replicated chromosomes of mother cell qualitatively and quantitatively distributed equally in daughter cells. Mitosis results in formation of clone cells, that is structurally and genetically similar cells. In unicellular organisms, mitosis helps in production of progenies and maintenance of population. In multicellular organisms, mitosis helps in increase in number of cells and growth. Occurrence of mitosis generally occurs in somatic vegetative cells. In animals, generally occurs in diploid cells, also occurs in few haploid cells of social insects like drone, honeybees, ants, etc. Mitosis produces gametes. In plants, occurs both in haploid and diploid cells, for example, meristematic cells, leaf, flower, fruit, root, stem cells, etc. In animals, mitosis also occurs in zygote to form embryo and in multiplication of undifferentiated germ cells of gonads. Mitosis discovery. Strasburger 1875 discovered mitosis in plant cell. Boveri and Walther Fleming 1879 discovered mitosis in animal cell. Term mitosis given by Walther Fleming 1882. Mitosis represents indirect cell division as nucleus and cytoplasm division undergo through many different processes. Mitosis prophase, longest phase, divided into early, mid and late prophase. Early prophase, condensation and untangling of chromatin network or threads. Telomere not visible. Woolen ball-like structure called spireme stage. Replicated centrioles move towards opposite poles. Astral rays formation occur. Mid-prophase, cytoplasm viscosity increases. Cytoplasm pale color. Endoplasmic reticulum gauzy body disappearing. Late prophase, migration of centrioles completed. Nucleus disappear, broken into vesicles. Nucleolus degenerated. Spindle fibers formed. Mitosis in animal cell, astral, amphiastral, centric type mitosis occurs. In plant cell, anastral, acentric type mitosis occurs. Metaphase, early metaphase, chromosomes, chromatins condensation completed. Chromosomes appear shortest, thickest, rod-like. Best stage to study structure, morphology of chromosomes and number of chromosomes. By process, search and capture, spindle fibers attached to kinetochore of chromosomes. Congregation, that is alignment of chromosomes, occur at single equatorial metaphasic plate. Small chromosome present in center, large chromosome present outside towards periphery. Mitosis with reference to metaphase. Colchicine obtained from Colchicum autumnale plant. arrest spindle fiber formation, results in chromosomal doubling, increase in amount of genetic material and number of chromosomes. Anaphase, shortest phase, controlled by anaphase promoting complex APC. Pooling of sister chromatids, now called daughter chromosomes, take place. Splitting of centromere, best stage to study shapes of chromosomes. Number of chromosomes increases in anaphase. Pooling of daughter chromosomes called disjunction, mitosis. With reference to anaphase, during pooling of daughter chromosomes, centromeres present towards poles and arms trail behind, hanging. Telophase, called reverse prophase. Pooling of daughter chromosomes completed. Chromosomes decondensed to form chromatin network. Nucleus and nucleolus reappeared, reformed. Spindle fibers degenerated. Identity of chromosomes lost. Endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi body visible. Cytoplasm viscosity decreases. Two identical daughter nuclei formed. Mitosis, animal cytokinesis, occurs through cell furrow or cleavage furrow method. Occurs from periphery towards center, that is centripetal manner. Cytokinesis performed by contractile ring made up of actin and myosin filaments. Plant cytokinesis occurs through cell plate method, occurs from center towards periphery, that is centrifugal manner. Firstly, phragmoplast, that is spindle fibers plus loosely arranged Golgi body and endoplasmic reticulum vesicles formed. Then cell plate, that is tightly attached vesicles of Golgi body formed. Then middle lamella formed. Mitosis, types of spindle fibers. In metaphase, three types. First, chromosomal or kinetochore or tractile spindle fiber from pole to kinetochore of chromosome. Second, polar spindle fiber from one pole to other pole. Third, non-polar spindle fibers from pole to center of cytoplasm. In anaphase, four types. First, chromosomal or kinetochore or tractile spindle fiber. Second, polar spindle fiber. Third, non-polar spindle fiber. Fourth, interzonal spindle fibers formed between two pooled sister chromatids or daughter chromosomes. Polar spindle fiber represent continuous spindle fibers. Chromosomal and non-polar spindle fibers represent discontinuous spindle fibers. Mitosis, types of mitosis, two types: eumitosis or true mitosis or open mitosis. In this type, nucleus, that is nuclear membrane, disappear after prophase and spindle fibers are extranuclear in origin, formed outside nucleus, represents normal mitosis. Premitosis, endomitosis, closed mitosis. In this type, nucleus or nuclear membrane remain intact, present throughout karyokinesis. Spindle fibers are intranuclear in origin, formed inside nucleus. For example, fungi, dinoflagellate, etc. Mitosis, significance of mitosis: growth and development of multicellular organisms, reproduction and increase in population of unicellular organisms, replacement of lost part, maintain nucleus-cytoplasmic ratio and surface area volume ratio of cell, maintain genetic composition of cell, healing of injury and replacement of dead cells. In plants, increase in height and girth. Mitosis, best experimental material to study mitosis is onion root tip. Having root tip का मेरे stem. Formulae to produce n number of cells, number of mitosis or mitotic division required is equal to n minus 1 with reference to arithmetic growth or 2 raised to n with reference to geometric growth. To produce n number of cells, generation time or mitotic generations required is equal to 2 raised to n.